All right, what's up, guys? ScottyRides here. Today, I'm just showing off the bike a bit. Just got it recently. Actually, 2 days ago, I got it. The thing's been a blast, man. I really love this bike. I ended up getting it just for, commute, and I really wanted something that had a little bit more power. And for the price point, I think I paid $2,200 total, including taxes. It's just such a great bike. I mean, I really love it. It's fucking great. So I ended up adding these full twist throttle. I'm wearing really big gloves right now because it's cold as hell. I bought this thing at like the worst time ever. I got the full twist throttle. I actually accidentally bent one of the disc brakes because I'm an idiot. What I did was I was parked at a Wawa, right? And I had this thing in between. There it goes. I had this thing in between the spokes and the frame. So if someone tries to ride off with it, I might sustain some damage, but it'll seize it and I'll be able to get my bike back. Well, I went into the Wawa and then I came back out and I completely forgot that it was on there. So I started riding. The locking mechanism literally got stuck in between right here and it fucked up the disc. Now the disc isn't too bad, actually. It's a little bent, but I mean it's not really rubbing too much. I just don't think it is. It's got some rub, but I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's nothing dire. So anyway, I'm gonna take this out on the road here. Yeah, I've been so stoked about this. I've been telling my friend, I've been annoying the shit out of them about this thing for a while now. I haven't been able to try the full twist throttle yet. I tested it a little bit, and I noticed that it doesn't actually have that much of a delay anymore. I don't know if the half throttle just has a lot of delay. I don't know, maybe if it was like a defect or something like that, but this throttle, for some reason, the controller just is in love with it. All right. So we're gonna turn this bad boy on. There's black ice everywhere, guys. But on the road, it seems mostly clear, so I'm not too worried. So we're in about 22 right now, coming out of the cul-de-sac. We're gonna go around the block. I don't trust some of these roads, especially the hilly areas with this ice. As you can see, the roads are mostly dry, but still they're cold. I mean, tires are more willing to give out easier. About 26. That was nice. She's a nice lady. I'm gonna make a left here. Oh, Jesus, let's see. The only complaint that I have so far is the seat is very rough. Seat is actually really uncomfortable. Like, I don't mean to be, oh Jesus, it just happened. I don't mean to be descriptive, but like whenever I hit a bump, and I've adjusted the shocks and everything, every time I hit a bump, it's like slapping my balls. I really don't like that. Oh, like right there. Oh Jesus, there goes my children. But I mean, other than that, this thing's fucking nice. That's my main complaint about it. man, this thing is just overall so fucking fun. Like, it is so enjoyable. I have a fucking blast on this thing, man. There's no reason for me to DoorDash anymore. Literally, like, it just makes commuting so much more fun. I'm really having a blast on it. Really nice. My feet are fucking, my legs are cold, dude. I can't even feel my fucking knees. Go left here. I'm using hand signalers right now. I'm getting a whole bunch of different accessories for this thing that I'm planning on getting for safety. I'm getting some mirrors, turn signals, and all them goodies. So I'm still learning how to ride this thing too. I have not ridden a bike in so long, guys, especially a motorized one. Yeah, you kind of have to stand up on these bumps, else you'll oh Jesus. Throttle's very sensitive. The spring is very light, which I don't like. But it was very easy to install. Not bad at all. So we'll try to go full speed here. There's still ice around here, so. No, we're not gonna go full speed. 26 though, down the cul-de-sac, not bad. Wonderful, wonderful bike. Can't get over it. No complaints at all. So, main things that I'm getting is the tank bag, turn signals. I'm actually getting hand guards around here, and I'm getting another handlebar. So I'll have to take all this stuff off. Some of these screws are kind of cheap. This one stripped on me and it was on the right size. All the other ones were fine. I don't know, maybe it was just a defective screw, but overall, very fun. Very fun. I don't know, I've seen people complain about these headlights here, saying that they're too dim. And I looked into it. That's mostly for people who ride the 48 volts. Apparently the 52 volt has a way brighter battery, and I can attest to that. I mean, I could see clear as day at night, so it's not bad at all. This came pre-installed with the foot pegs. These are nice foot pegs. These are not bad at all. They're pretty husky. Pretty sure they're metal. I love it. Gonna get a nice banana seat for it too. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe. Brand new channel. I love Ariel Riders. You know, this is my thing now. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of controller upgrades, motor upgrades, and I'm going to be doing full walkthroughs for those. So, you know, if you guys want to learn more about your Ariel Rider, just please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like. Show some support. Actually, I never noticed that emblem there. But yeah, guys. Hope you have a wonderful evening or day or night. And yeah, have a good one, guys.